Welcome to this tutorial on using the Google Authenticator app. Google Authenticator is a free security app that protects your online accounts from unauthorized access by providing an additional layer of verification. To get started, download the Google Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on the plus icon to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to scan a QR code or enter a setup key provided by the service you want to secure. Most services such as Google, Facebook, and Dropbox support Google Authenticator. When you enable two-factor authentication for one of these services, you will be given the option to set up Google Authenticator. To set up Google Authenticator, open the Services Settings page. Navigate to the Security or Account Settings section, and look for the two-factor authentication option. Select Google Authenticator as your verification method and follow the prompts to scan the QR code or enter the setup key. Once you have scanned the QR code or entered the setup key, Google Authenticator will generate a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. When you log in to the secured service, you will be asked to enter this code along with your username and password. It is essential to keep your Google Authenticator app and the accounts it secures up to date. If you get a new phone, make sure to transfer the Google Authenticator app and reconfigure it for each secured account. Best practices for using Google Authenticator include keeping your phone and the app itself secure, with a strong password or biometric authentication, and being cautious when setting up Google Authenticator on a new device or account. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use the Google Authenticator app to add an extra layer of security to your online accounts and protect yourself from unauthorized access.